Okay, guys. Back it up. Back it up. Okay, set it down. Easy. Easy. Okay, and there. Perfect. Good work, you guys. Thanks a lot. Yeah, thanks. Well, what do you think? It's not my dad's desk, but it'll do for...
Leon? Leon, I'll come in and keep you company.
Really? You want to, Skylar? Sure. Sure, come on in.
Great.
Leon, I could come in and hold your hand if you like.
Would you? I mean, yeah, that'd be nice, Julie.
Okay.
The rain's starting. Listen, Leon.
Hmm? Well, I'm still afraid, but you guys are a big help. So, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. No, the rain will look really cool upstairs in the greenhouse. You want to go up and check it out? We'll stay with you.
Yeah.
Boy, it'll be a neat thing to see.
Well, okay, but only if Julie holds my hand.
Sure.
Okay, let's go.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and what great sounds, huh?
Yeah, I mean, this isn't so bad. I don't know about this, you guys.
Leon, I know a storm can seem like a scary thing, but here's another way to think about it that might make you feel better. From the mountain to the desert, from the rivers to the sea, the earth gives us shelter and water and food for us to eat. The earth is home to many things. There's no place I'd rather be. The earth is my mother. She takes care of me. We are the children. We are the children. Children of the earth and the sun in the sky. We are the children. We are the children. Children of the earth, you and I. When the storm cloud comes, arrows of lightning cross the sky. The wind howls, the thunder roars, and I wonder why the clouds seem so angry. But I know the storm will pass, and the sun will shine again. The sun is my father, he looks over me. We are the children, we are the children, children of the earth and the sun in the sky. We are the children, we are the children, children of the earth, you and I. We are the children, we are the children, children of the earth and the sun in the sky. We are the children, we are the children, children of the earth, you and I.
You know, Sky, you're right. That is a good way to think about this weather.
Yeah.
I want to thank you guys for being there and for being such good friends and for helping me out and, well, you know.
Leon, that's what friends are for.
Hey, guys!
Hey,
We
Ben.
got all the screenshots shut and all the shutters shut?
Yeah, and all the Venetian blinds and the shades. Yes, and all the windows.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, are you having fun?
Well, we kind of...
Huh?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hey, the storm's moving away.
Yeah. And wait,
Hmm?
listen to the rain.
We are the children. We are the children. We are the children. Children of the earth and the sun in the sky. We are the children. We are the children. We are the children. Children of the earth, you and I.
The Puzzle Place is a co-production of KCET Los Angeles and Lancet Media in New York.